Hello, my name is Jason Stetzel. I'm one of the tutors here at West Harts College. This is James. Today we're going to be working with a little bit of very fine knife skills going for juliennes that will eventually be turned into a chicken and vegetable stir fry. So, James. So we're starting with a little bit of bok choy. So first we're going to square off the carrot. Because it's a round thing, we need to make it safe to cut. We make a flat side. The thinner that is, the quicker it'll cook through. Is taking the layers of the leek off, laying them flat, making it easier to cut the matchsticks. Onion, very good. Now remember, take the root end off. You're just doing a nice solid slice on this one. Yep. Turn it so the lines are towards you. Safe cutting technique. Nice thin slices on your onion, which comes apart in layers anyway. For the courgette for julienne of the dark green. Yep, so we're squaring off the courgette just like we did the carrot earlier, taking the edges. Okay, so we're doing paysannes, very good. Same shape, same size slice. And vegetable-wise, this leaves us with chili, ginger, and garlic. The garlic is very stringy, which is why we cut it as opposed to mashing it for a mince. So now you cut your juliennes, then turn the sticks to do your brunoise. So with the mincing of the garlic, we're just going to give it a good crush, then be able to chop it a little bit. Which the woody end should go straight into your waste bowl straight away. That way it's out of the way. Just a quick little chop through and then squashing it to mince it. What James is going to do is place the knife edge on the garlic, pushing down around the garlic and squishing and dragging his knife across the board. You can add a small amount of salt to it to help make it a little more coarse, helps to grind it up, although on the other side it does also depend if you're trying to be more heart healthy and all of that. So always remember, when you add salt, you can't take it back out. Chili, we're going to cut off the stem end first, split the chili in half and remove the seeds. It'll be a lot easier for you to cut. Watch your fingertips. And that way you can now lay the half down, open it up a bit, and just remove that placenta and seeds. And then of course, if you want your stir fry to be a bit spicier, you can keep the seeds and such, although it's a very good skill to know how to remove them without damaging your chilies. So with the cuts, whichever direction, however you want to cut it, but the thing is that nice thin cuts of the chicken, because it's still a quick cook item. It is chicken. We don't want to undercook it. We want to make sure these things are done well. Wash your hands, and then we will move on to the cooking aspect. That's it.